Have you ever planned a great camping meal only to end up fighting weak burners, uneven heat, or wind that keeps blowing out your flame? Outdoor cooking sounds fun until your stove becomes the reason dinner is delayed. If you've been searching for a camping stove that feels closer to a real outdoor kitchen, the Coleman Cascade 222 might be worth a serious look. Today, we're checking out the Coleman Cascade 222 2-burner camping stove, a portable cooktop designed for campers, tailgaters, overlanders, RV travelers, and anyone who enjoys cooking outdoors. The idea behind this stove is simple. Deliver powerful cooking performance, reliable flame control, and easy portability without making outdoor meal prep feel like a chore. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the Cascade 222 makes a strong first impression. It has the familiar suitcase-style design that many campers prefer, but it feels modern and thoughtfully refined. The recessed carry handle makes transportation easy, and the heavy-duty latch keeps everything securely closed while traveling. Whether you're loading it into a truck, RV, or camping gear bin, it feels built for frequent outdoor use. The materials also inspire confidence. The cooktop feels sturdy, and the chrome-plated pan supports provide a stable platform for cookware. What stands out is that the stove doesn't feel overly bulky despite offering 2 burners. It's large enough to cook complete meals comfortably, but still portable enough for weekend adventures. The removable cooking surface is another welcome touch because it simplifies cleanup after a long day outdoors. Performance is where the Cascade 222 really starts to shine. With a total output of 22,000 BTUs across 2 burners, there's plenty of cooking power available for most outdoor meals. Whether you're boiling water for coffee, frying breakfast, cooking burgers, or preparing a full campsite dinner, the stove has the power to handle it. What I appreciate most is the improved burner control. Some camping stoves feel like they're either on full blast or barely lit. The Cascade 222 offers much more precise temperature adjustment, making it easier to simmer sauces, cook delicate foods, or maintain consistent heat without constant adjustments. If you've ever burned food because a camp stove ran too hot, you'll likely appreciate this feature. The matchless rotary ignition system also makes a noticeable difference in daily use. Instead of reaching for a lighter or matches every time you cook, you simply turn the knob and ignite the burner. It's a small convenience, but those little details add up when you're setting up meals multiple times throughout a camping trip. Wind is another challenge that outdoor cooks face regularly, and Coleman addresses that with dual wind guards. In real-world conditions, these guards help protect the flame and maintain more consistent cooking temperatures. They're especially useful at open campsites, tailgating events, beaches, or other locations where wind can quickly become frustrating. The stove remains relatively quiet during operation, producing only the normal sound you'd expect for propane burners. Setup is straightforward, and even first-time campers should feel comfortable using it within minutes. Cleaning is equally simple thanks to the removable pan supports and easy-to-wipe cooktop surface. Of course, no stove is perfect. The larger size that makes cooking easier also means it takes up more space than compact single-burner options. Backpackers and minimalist campers will likely find it too large for their needs. Fuel consumption can also be higher when running both burners at maximum output, which is expected given the amount of cooking power available. On the positive side, that's exactly what makes this stove so useful for families, groups, RV travelers, and anyone who enjoys preparing real meals outdoors. Having 2 burners dramatically improves flexibility, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at the same time instead of waiting for one item to finish before starting another. Compared to other 2-burner camping stoves in the same price range, the Coleman Cascade 222 stands out for its combination of power, cooking control, portability, and ease of use. Some competitors offer similar heat output, but few deliver the same balance of user-friendly features and reliable outdoor performance. Overall, the Coleman Cascade 222 is a well-rounded camping stove that makes outdoor cooking feel less like a compromise and more like an enjoyable part of the adventure. If you regularly cook for multiple people outdoors, it's a practical upgrade that can make campsite meals faster, easier, and far more enjoyable. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.